Small Towns of America, Lima, Ohio. Big stories often live in small places. This is Small Towns of America, and today we're discovering Lima, Ohio, where history, landscape, and local character have shaped a place unlike any other. A special thank you to one of our subscribers for suggesting this city. Lima, Ohio, sits in the broad, level landscape of west-central Ohio, but its story has never been flat. Here, an 1831 county seat grew from a clearing on the edge of wet prairie into a manufacturing city known around the world for oil, locomotives, and practical ingenuity. The Ottawa River curves through the community. Parks open around lakes and wooded banks, and downtown gathers its civic buildings around town square. Lima is a place whose character comes from making things, adapting to change, and keeping local landmarks close to daily life. Before the city was laid out, this region was part of the Great Black Swamp's southern reaches, a landscape of forests, marshes, and difficult travel. The Shawnee lived in the wider area before federal removal policies opened the land to settlement. In 1831, the Ohio legislature established Allen County and chose a county seat. Christopher Wood surveyed and filed the plat for Lima in April of that year. The name was taken from Lima, Peru, then associated in the public imagination with quinine, a medicine valued in malarial country. A small town began around the courthouse square, with homes, shops, and services spreading into the surrounding farmland. Lima was organized in 1842, and the arrival of rail service in 1854 brought a decisive connection to markets and industry. The rail line strengthened a town that was already an agricultural and commercial center. Its location made it a natural place for mills, foundries, repair shops, and merchants. The old downtown pattern still reflects that purpose, a compact center where courthouse, municipal buildings, storefronts, theaters, and restaurants stand within a few blocks. Town Square remains Lima's civic front porch, a formal open space where the city's buildings face one another across lawns and walks. The Allen County Courthouse is the grandest expression of that civic confidence. Completed in 1884, its tall clock tower, stone exterior, and elaborate 19th century design command the north side of the square. It was built when Lima was becoming a more ambitious regional center, and it gives downtown a clear vertical landmark. Nearby, the Veterans Memorial Civic and Convention Center anchors the square's cultural life with performances, meetings, and community events. Together, the courthouse and civic center show Lima's ability to keep its public spaces active across generations. In 1885, a well drilled under the direction of Benjamin Faurot struck oil, and Lima became the focal point of Northwest Ohio's oil boom. The discovery transformed the local economy with remarkable speed. Wells, refineries, pipelines, rail traffic, and related businesses appeared, while the city's population and built landscape expanded. The crude itself was initially difficult to refine because of its sulfur content, but new refining methods made it valuable. Lima's oil era eventually changed shape, yet its industrial momentum endured. Faurot Park, named for the discoverer, preserves his name in one of the city's most beloved green spaces. Industry also carried Lima's name across the continent by rail. The Lima Locomotive Works produced Shay locomotives from 1879 until 1980. Making specialized engines that were suited to steep grades and rough industrial or logging lines. Later, the company became famous for powerful steam locomotive designs. At the Allen County Museum, a 1925 Shay built by the Lima Locomotive Works stands as a tangible link to that legacy. The museum campus, including the McDonald House, local history collections, and outdoor displays, turns a major industrial story into a place visitors can see at walking pace. For the city's natural side, the Ottawa River is central. The rotary Riverwalk and Ottawa River Bikeway follow the river corridor through Lima and connect parks, neighborhoods, and public spaces. The route is a green thread rather than a distant escape, passing water, trees, and the ordinary edges of the city. Buttonbush Wetland Preserve adds an observation deck and a small landscape of wetland vegetation, while Schoonover Park offers a 25-acre lake, trails, fishing access, and Lima's only observatory. These places give a different scale to a city often remembered for factories and railroads. Faurot Park offers another view of Lima's public landscape. Its nearly 90 acres include lakes, walking paths, ball fields, shelter houses, a concert pavilion, and mature open lawns. The site began as City Park in 1904 and was expanded in the 1930s before taking Faurot's name. Today, water, tree cover, and recreation soften the city's industrial history without erasing it. The park remains a gathering place where the city's past and present meet in an accessible setting. Lima's local food landmark is Kewpee Hamburgers. The downtown Kewpee is a notable survivor of the early hamburger stand era, known for square hamburgers, malts, and a brightly streamlined Art Deco character. The Lima locations have remained locally operated for generations, which gives the restaurant a special place in the city's shared memory. Its distinct facade and counter-service tradition fit Lima's larger identity: familiar, practical, and proud of a product made the local way. It is not simply a place to eat. It is a durable piece of the downtown streetscape. Modern Lima continues to balance healthcare, education, manufacturing, services, and regional commerce. Its 2020 census population was 35,579, and it remains Allen County's seat and largest city. What stands out is the continuity of its places. A visitor can begin at the courthouse tower, move past town square's civic buildings, find a classic burger counter, follow the river through Parkland, and stand beside a Lima-built locomotive at the museum. Those scenes reveal a community shaped by work and invention, yet grounded by accessible green space and familiar gathering places. Lima's story is strongest today when read through its landmarks. The courthouse tells of a county seat that expected to last. The oil discovery marks a moment when the ground beneath the city changed its future. The Locomotive Works show how local skill traveled far beyond Ohio. The river corridor and parks add water, trees, and sky to the picture. Together, they make Lima a Midwestern city with an industrial heartbeat and a clear sense of place. Its familiar civic spaces keep that history visible, usable, and shared.